The natural brow look is all about enhancing your own brow shape without creating a dramatic look. Perfect to spend all day at home, limited time in the morning, or just for a natural look. Okay, now we're finally here and we can teach you how to do the brows. I'm here with Sima.
Hi guys!
Sima is our head trainer. She's training all our trainers all over the world. She's a very young and talented girl, so I'm super happy that she's on board with me. So let's start with the first one. We start with the natural brows. So what I always do is I take the color as the same color as my eyebrows, slightly lighter, I have to be honest, because my eyebrow hairs are dark brown and I choose a medium brown. And I do this because then I can create a really natural look. When I was younger, I really liked a highly defined brow, but now I'm getting older. I just like it to be a bit more mellow, natural. So let's start. Well, Sima, if you have any feedback or you want to add something, just
yeah, I will.
add it on.
Yeah.
Okay, so we start with brushing the hairs up. And this is very important so you can really see your line. What we really like at Supercilium is that the line under your eyebrows is as straight as possible. Remember what we have told at the introduction is to always keep in mind the 3 points. So this should be your starting point. This should be the highest point. And this is where your eyebrow ends. And as you can see with me, my eyebrow is a little bit shorter, but no worries, we can fix that. Okay, now I grab my micro pencil, and there are actually 2 ways how you can do this. The first way, creating a natural line, is by going slowly, making a straight line until the end of the arch, and then you go down. You check if it's long enough, it's long. And then for a natural brow, what you start doing is making strokes up. This will create the most natural look. And what you can see, that I still have like a few lighter parts in my eyebrows, so I can fill that up.
I really love this natural look.
Yeah. And then what is really important is that the beginning part of your eyebrow is always as light as possible. So you can do this just by going really lightly, and then you brush it up. You really blend in the product into your eyebrow. And then with the natural eyebrow, it's really important that you have like a soft angle. I like mine to be a little bit higher.
And also make sure that you're brushing enough to blend the lines.
Okay, now we go to the second step, the micro concealer. With this, you sculpt the brow, and it's honestly a product that I'm really proud of because there's just no other brand in the world that has such a micro concealer.
And it's very creamy as well.
Yeah, so that's good. Okay, so let's start. I use the medium.
Same.
Yeah. So you can see like there's a very wide range where you can use it.
So we're gonna start at the beginning. And slowly draw a line towards the
arch.
Yeah, the arch.
And then you go down.
To the tail of the brow.
And what you see now, you see a line. And because I want to have it natural, I'm going to blend it out.
I'm using the blending brush. And what I normally do is I keep the first centimeters of my brow. I let the concealer line stay. And I won't blend it fully in because that really defines like the beginning of the brow.
That's really nice. Okay guys, now we're ready for the third and last step, the control.
So what I always do is I dab my brush with a little bit of water. Here you go.
Thank you.
And that makes it easier to get the product without getting too much. So what I always do, I get a little bit of the wax because you don't need much. And then I will apply it at the back of my hand to even it out.
Okay, and then what we do next, I always start not at the beginning part of the brow, but a little bit over here. And then I start like blending it in. And for me, it's like I want to keep it natural, so I go with the natural hair growth direction.
Yeah.
So I do that here, and then when I still have a little bit of product on my brush, I go to the beginning part. And just blend it in.
And this gel is also not sticky. So nice.
Now you can really see the difference between a natural brow and like also a natural brow, but then without makeup.
Yes, you can really see the difference. I really love it.